Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about the VDRs in the age of IoT, managing device data. Introduction: IoT and the data explosions, the IoT revolutions. The Internet of Things refers to billions of physical devices around the world connected to the Internet, collecting and sharing data from smart thermostats to wearables, health devices. The IoT ecosystem is vast and growing. Data management challenges. IoT devices generate vast amounts of data daily. The proper storage, access, and security of the data become paramount, especially when priority or sensitive information is involved. The role of VDRs. Virtual data rooms can offer solutions by providing secure environment for storage and sharing of the vast datasets generated by IoT devices. Harnesses IoT data in VDRs. Centralized data repositories. VDRs can act as centralized hubs where data from various IoT devices can be collected, categorized, and stored, ensuring easy access when needed. Secure sharing and collaborating. Stakeholders from devices manufacturers to software and developers may need to access to specific data sets. VDRs facilitates securing and permissions-based sharing and collaboration, compliance, and regulatory adherence. IoT data may be subject to regulatory guidelines, especially when personal data is involved. VDRs can be structured to adhere to compliance standards, ensuring that the stored data meets regulatory requirements. Security concerns and video solutions. Devices vulnerability. IoT devices can sometimes be weakest security links. Hackers may try to access the devices and entry points to large networks. VDRs as a defense by storing critical data in VDRs instead of the devices themselves. Businesses can minimize the risk of data breaches from devices vulnerabilities. Advanced encryptions and access control. VDRs can ensure that the IoT data is encrypted both in transit and at rest. Coupled with robust access controls, VDRs offer a fortified environment against unauthorized access. That's it. Hope you understood this topic. And thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Take care and bye bye.